In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels Remix, which is the new Reels update for Instagram in 2021. The Instagram Reel Remix is pretty much the same as a React on TikTok. So what you're going to do in order to remix a Instagram Reel is go to Reels at the bottom of your page. Now you're in Reels. In order to react to one, you click the three dots in the bottom right. And as you can see, this menu pops up. But we can't react to this one because the owner of the Instagram account hasn't enabled remixes yet. So what you gotta do is find one. Let's try for this one, the three dots. And as you can see at the bottom, remix this reel. Click that, which will now, as you can see, on the left is their video, on the right is mine. You can now hold down the record button and record your remix. There we go. You can now add all these Reels effects. You can add effects. You can increase different things, remove them, increase speed, cooldown, set timer, clear timer. And once you're happy with that, you click the arrow to the right. There you go. You can now add stickers, like I don't know, say Fahrenheit. You can add audio mix, like increase your audio, decrease theirs, increase theirs. You can add a voiceover. You can draw squiggly lines like that. You can add text. Instagram remix. There you go. And now what you want to do is click the arrow to the right. And you can now share this to your Reels, also to your feed and your stories. That's how to use Instagram Reel Remix on the new Reel update. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.